We felt there's a need for a restaurant in the East Rand that fills the gap for a destination restaurant, not just being a hotel restaurant. And Aurelia's obviously has been around for 20 years. We felt there's a need for change. And that's why we went out and got this beautiful restaurant designed with a concept aligned with it. We obviously created a contemporary menu that really speaks to the beautiful aspects of the restaurant, but also top quality ingredients on our menu. So our chef is Themba Bauti. He worked under really, really good chefs in Cape Town as well, that really groomed him to what he is today. And we felt that, listen, that is the type of person that can add value to this concept. And it's really proven itself from the dishes that everybody will see tonight, but also come and experience at Rain. It is really something exceptional.
So we basically kind of looked at the effect of trying to, do something unique to Empress, unique to Duriel, something that we could actually offer some people around the area of the East Rand, something that's never been done before. And yeah, I mean, that's why we're bringing some, we've got some fresh stuff. So you've got some ceviches, some tuna tartars, as well as some sashimis. We've also got some nice robotic grill items. So we've got some Wagyu beef as well as our 28-day aged beef. Our desserts are actually quite unique as well, because we got one of our chefs from Cape Town who's actually joined us here with us, and she actually brings something more fresh and more new to the Gauteng scene as well. In terms of my cooking style, I enjoy fusion foods. So whether it's Asian, whether it's Mediterranean, whether it's Mexican, whether it's African, I'd like to take all these cuisines and basically merge them into one, and that's what we kind of presented here with our menu. So my mission at Rain, first and foremost, is all the hard work that needs to happen, trying to get them, to the standard that I expect them to be. And once we basically at that point, is basically just taking over Gauteng. So, within the first year, I definitely would like to see myself and my team become the #1 restaurant in Gauteng.
All our wines are curated to really showcase the best of South African wines. And also, majority of the wines has a Tim Atkins rating of 90 and plus, which really shows exceptional wine quality that's on the wine list. And then yes, we're a champagne and cocktail bar establishment, so we have all the champagnes that's from France, and we also have really good Prosecco from Italy and MCC from South Africa, which really is some of the best bubbly that you can get around. So the best quality of service, best quality in product, in a beautiful setting. Who wouldn't want to come here?